you're gay. Ah. I sounded like a door. Oh my god. Oh. Get well soon. Wet, web. Forget it. Brother, you can just die. Len spent the night sleeping in the fridge and came out the next morning as if nothing happened. I don't know how. Well, what's the context? Debating between saving this to the kitchen impact board or banana board. Why do you have a banana board? I freaking love bananas, man. Lily eating one as I type this. My sister brought home 2 bananas from work today for some reason, and I literally ate them both within a couple of minutes. They're not even my favorite food, but whenever I see them, I literally cannot stop myself from eating them all. I hope that's what it was meant to say, 'cause it cuts itself off. Please bring home purified water with no minerals added for taste. None. I got spring water, not with extra minerals. It's like licking a stalagmite. Don't come home. Cave water.